Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You're watching DIY and Get Crafty and myself Pavitra Vijayan. In today's video, we are making yet another wall hanging, which is a moon macrame, and for this we need a metal wire and a cotton twine or a macrame cord. First of all, we need to make the crescent shape out of the metal wire. For that, I'm bending the metal wire in a crescent shape. For making the metal frame stronger, I'm adding the second layer, but this time I'm twisting on the base layer. Then I'm taking the cotton twine and making a knot at one corner. Then I'm wrapping the frame using the cotton twine as I show here. So once when I'm done covering the frame, I'm making sure that the ends are secured by making a knot. Then I'm applying some white glue to make the loose threads seamlessly wrapped. Here is a quick tip for you guys. If you have to insert a thread into a smaller bead, then make sure that you are rubbing the tip with water or any glue to insert it easily. As you can see, I'm moving the knotted end to the bottom part. Then I'm adding the string. Once I'm done with the crescent frame, I'm adding some tassels. For this, I'm using a lock's head knot technique. To bring different texture to the tassels, I'm adding some lace at the back of the tassels. I'm using a glue to stick them at the back. So once I'm done sticking the lace, I'm adding some more Fevicol at the back of the knots as well. Then I'm adding some wooden bead on the tassels as well. And that's it guys, here is the final look for you. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to share me your feedback on this video. And for the decoration, I have used some fairy lights, and for hanging it, I have used two methods. For the first one, I have hung it directly on a nail, and for the second type, I have stuck it using some double-sided tape on a frame which I have made on my previous video. I will catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep supporting guys. Bye.